If you're someone struggling to make your first latte art on your cup of coffee, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you the basic steps that will help you to make your first latte art on your cup of coffee. This is a simplified video for beginner barista or people who are struggling to make your first latte art on your cup of coffee. This is the basic knowledge that I've gathered for the 6 years of working as a barista. It has helped me to make good latte art on my cup of coffee and also train beginner baristas on making latte art. Aim for the center of the cup, push and create the shape, lift up your jug and make your latte art. This is a summarized video for you as a beginner, and by following these simple steps, you'll be able to master how to make a good latte art and also fix the common challenge that prevent most of the beginner baristas from making a good latte art. Without wasting any time, let's dive in on making our latte art. Before thinking of making a good latte art on your cup of coffee, these are the two important things that you need to first master. The first one is making a perfect shot of espresso. The most important factor that is going to help you to make a good shot of espresso is to use freshly roasted coffee beans and also to brew your espresso fresh. So you grind your coffee fresh so that you'll be able to have that good creamer when you're extracting your shot of espresso. A good shot of espresso is the foundation of your latte art. So before you think of making your latte art, you should ensure that you're having a good shot of espresso, which is freshly brewed and it has the right amount of creamer. This is going to help you to create a good base of your latte art. And the second thing, you need to have a good milk steaming technique. You'll need to master how to perfectly steam your milk for making a good latte art. The first step is choosing the right milk for steaming. Ideally, I would recommend for you to use the full fat milk or the oat milk Barista. These are the two types of milks that I would recommend for you to steam if you want to be able to make a good latte art. The next challenge that most of the beginner baristas face, if you don't perfectly learn how to steam your milk, you're going to result in too much foam on your milk or no foam on your milk. These two milk textures won't allow you to make any latte art on your cup of coffee. And for you to fix these two challenges, after the end of this video, check in the description below. I have made a video that will help you fix these two common challenges. Now let me show you how you can hold your cup and picture when you're pouring your latte art. When you're pouring your latte art, I'm using water. You tilt your cup, then start pouring from the center in a circular motion, 3/4 of the cup, then you lower down your jug, then pour your latte art. Depending on the type of latte art, whenever the cup is starting to get full, you also level up your cup. So in case I'm pouring the art, I'll tilt my cup. When it's getting full and I'm creating my shape, I lift up my jug and I move it to the opposite side. Let's try this by using milk. Start by tilting your cup, then aim in the center of the cup while pouring in a slow, controlled circular movement until 3/4 of the cup full. Aim to the center and lower your jug. Push forward as you create the shape of the heart. After you create the shape, lift up your jug and move your jug forward, creating a sharp pour which is going to result into a heart latte art design like this. This is a basic heart latte art design, which is the foundation of all latte art designs. The reason why I recommend for you to start with this heart, it's not very complicated. You only need to hold your jug in one position as you push, then you lift up your jug and create the heart. After you master how to make these heart latte art designs, then it's going to be very easy for you to make the tulip and other advanced latte art designs on your cup of coffee. You shouldn't stress a lot if you're a beginner barista. Start by mastering these heart latte art designs, then you can try the tulip latte art design, which has different variations Then from there, you can try making the Rosetta and also the Swan. Now it's time to practice what we have learned. It's impossible for you to make any good latte art without practice, because latte art is a skill that requires you to constantly practice and develop over time. So there are two different ways that you can practice your latte art. You don't need to wait until you have the espresso machine and be able to practice. You can practice first by using only water. This will help you master how to move your hand while you're pouring your latte art. And if you have an espresso machine, do this for practice. Steam 1 cup of milk, then you can use coffee grinds over and over again while using the same milk, so that you can practice the different latte art design. As you can see, this is a basic latte art design, but using this same milk, I'm going to just add coffee grinds into my cup, and I can make a tulip using this same milk without wasting my coffee and milk. So this is an easy way that you can also practice your latte art and make sure you grow and improve within a short period of time. For you to fully understand which basic latte art designs you can start with, I would recommend for you to watch this video next, because it shows you the 10 basic latte art designs that you can start learning as a beginner barista.